Un o'r dyddiau mae'n ei cofio reid mouse fi off yn mute. Dwi'n licio Apex, ond dwi ddim yn licio stream Apex. Cos dwi'n fidgety. Ond, dych chi'n fawr iawn, Punjitsu. 50th member fi, dych chi'n fawr. Be am ffordd gwell o dathlu 50 na cael... O na, dwi'n siŵr na. Cael hamro yn Apex. Siwr na'r thing ola ni angen i cael y affiliated. Oce, diolch. Champion. Dych chi'n eto, Punjitsu. Game face. O, dych chi'n fawr.
We will slaughter our enemies.
Mae'r good vibes yma mynd i... Mae'r good vibes yma am... helpu fi. Gyd fi just teimlad. Gyd fi just good feel. Di'r name tag y boi yma ddim yn dodgy o gwbl. Ie, diolch yn fawr iawn. Dwi'n meddwl dwi wedi retweetio fyd. Mae'r wmff, de. Iawn ta. Game time.
I'm the jump master.
I am the jump master.
Fight. Win. Meet me here.
Mae'n wastad yn lle da-ish. Change of plan.
Moving here. Follow me.
Oh, come on.
Bless me with sight.
Sti syth yna da. Am sti syth yma. Ti'n... Ooh.
Battling the enemy. I am taking fire. Broken enemy's shield. Reloading.
Not so fast. Time to bind you. Round one.
Taking a moment to heal.
Down.
We are inside the
Ooh, this ain't good.
Give me sight. Grenade. I grabbed an unscotty shield. I am
Whoa!
Bound by my hand.
I'm in trouble. Reloading. We are a team of two now.
Cut down an enemy.
I downed an enemy. Reloading.
Reloading. One less enemy. Eliminate the enemy. They will be bound.
I took out an enemy. Necessary healing. Getting out.
Come on, get up.
Spicy!
Killed.
Taking a moment to heal up.
I've secured the banner. They get a second chance.
I'm out of heavy ammo. I'm down.
I shattered an enemy's shield. Reloading. Finding them.
Dim y gun dwi isio.
Knockdown shield.
Hei, pa dwi'n pigo fyny? Properties. Sorry.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. And you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Good professional play gan i yna. Should have run away. Should have run away. Follow dwytha na di neu fi yn... Dwi'n randomly'n toi'n affiliate, a dwi'n gorau neu rhywbeth.
No matter what, we get each other home.
Oh, did I dal...
So be it.
Wel.
Fate will be on our side, Fly Fighter.
Come on. Give me a Russian hacker. Come on, give me a Russian hacker. Okay.
This is your champion.
It's him down here.
Let's land here. Yes.
Roger.
Whatever.
Prepare for battle.
Right, di marw lle bynnag anyway.
Enemy spotted.
Come on. Ah, dim weithio.
Subject landed near me. Be aware.
Ah, come on, do rhywbeth i fi.
First blood.
The trap is set. Data soon to follow.
First blood. No FNG's on.
Yna. Na.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
We have the benefit. We are inside the ring.
Let him in. Na, dwi'n sefyn y sniper bod to. Dim byth yn...
Optics here.
Yeah.
Mid-range.
Ooh. Dwi'n ei hwnna dde. Not done, not done. Okay.
I'm taking fire. Battling the enemy.
Doet ze?
Contact with target. Hostile on Scotty.
The chimney.
I took an enemy's life.
An enemy shield. Reloading. New kill leader. They're getting cocky, they're getting sloppy. Tango down.
Reloading.
Rhywbeth arall yma.
Close.
Kill
Watching that
confirmed.
area.
Another notch on the belt.
Spotted a subject over there. Powerful slaughter of the enemy.
So rhywbeth i...
Healing. Watch my back.
Getting shot
O,
at.
ti dy nôl i fi yma?
I have shattered a subject's shield. Firing on subjects. Taking a moment to recharge my...
Ah, ni'n gwbo.
I have a subject in view. Target spotted.
Reloading.
çıktı.
New kill leader. Call him if you spot him. Got company out there.
Our enemies have messed
Use
their
this
rig.
gravity cannon.
That spot is out.
Shit.
Reloading.
Gente coma, gente coma. Gente coma.
Healing my wounds.
I need a bigger bag. Vad vill jag där?
They're battling the enemy.
Wat zit er nou? Oh my god.
I cracked an unscottish shield. Reloading.
Old painless knocking at the door.
Scanning the area. I'm taking fire.
Okay.
Care package on high.
Pan ti'n mynd ar y somatid?
Hostile over there.
Oh shit.
Let's go this way.
Ooh. Ze willen niet die kant daar.
I'm spotted.
Oh, come on.
Spotted. Double timing it. Popping smoke.
MLG.
I'm taking fire. Flag grenade sent.
Giving him the chimney. Shield.
Reloading. I downed a hostile. Trust in the
Target over there.
Charging my shields. Taking a moment to heal. All Father, give me sight. Taking a moment to heal.
Hostile right here.
Oh my god, them rest. What awful.
That's enemy shield. Reloading. That was the last of them. Another squad bites.
Embrace that kill.
Ja, moet je heavy ammo. Yes, dat is toch begonnen.
Let's displace here.
Oké. Gaat hun kunnen hun ja, hon med. Den var med. Okay.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown. Up in the chimney.
We are not all in the ring. The gust of wind will lead us to victory.
Mumrennen.
Let's reposition here.
Some really points.
Replicator touching down.
Oh, van man, dat is zo niet jong.
Let's check out this area.
Jo, nou dat. Hey.
Let's check out this area.
Zit er al weer? Zit er al weer? Oeh shit, dus
Taking a knee. Patching up.
really goed wat jij wint.
Healing my wounds.
Enemy over there. Get in the chimney.
Funkade.
Broken enemy shield. Got them. I am taking fire.
Amnestina, oh my god, mate. Oh, paid dim stuck on. Please paid it.
Purging my shields.
Oh my god, dim res. No, okay.
Someone was. Let us go this way. We have enemy over there.
Top in the chimney.
Hey, men sånn der.
Spotted. Double timing it.
Hey, til den norve, Matt, til den norve nu. Please, til den norve nu.
The sky is above
Smoke out. On smoke.
Dat vind ik wel kast, hè.
us. Marking our surroundings.
Give me a sec. Recharging shield.
Attention, the kill leader has been
Target over there.
Scanning the
beginning
area.
ring countdown.
Let's reposition here.
Replicator being delivered.
Replicator on high.
Let's be little shits. Just kill him, Emma. Literally, I'm gonna need bit arall yma.
Hostile right here.
me with sight.
One minute. Rings nearby.
Come on.
45 seconds. Ring ain't far. Let's check out this area.
Marking our surroundings. In combat. Marking our surroundings.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
We're inside the ring. Got the positional advantage. Already on my mark. Firing for effect. Care package incoming. Y'all.
I'm breathing.
Smoke out.
Broken enemy shield.
Oh, nou in.
I need heavy ammo.
Beginning ring countdown.
Nu in, maar weer met.
Hostile. Danger close.
I'm taking fire. I am down, but alive.
Giving him the chin. I'm spotted. 1 minute.
Oh shit. Oh, come on!
Making contact with enemy.
No.
Target spotted.
Y thing sy'n cael bai heddiw ydy maws fi, dim fi.
Hostile spotted.
Contact with target.
O, inch dy well. Spare a level... Spare a level 4, Ai, dych chi fawr. Oh, in focus. Oh. Just trimio fo. Oh. Ai, mae hynna'n broblem, ond hefyd... Dwi'm yn gwrando nhw chwaith na. So allai'm rili cael go nhw am Oh my god, pam ti'n ma'n grando ar boi 33 ag Gaernarfon. So, it works both ways. Ond mae'n ffynnu weithiau, ti'n fatha, ti'n mynd iawn i'r squad, a mae'n fatha boi efo 4, level 4, a mae'n efo 100 kills. Mae'n reit ffynnu. So, y trick ydy, ti eisiau bod o'n squad efo enw weird Russian, cos ti'n gwybod mewn hackers. Ww! So, ie. Ww, so, ie. Dwi'n mynd eistedd yma dyn na fi di greatest ever Apex player. Up there. Ond, come on, roll the dice. Awful. Un gefell. Gwyd glitch chyfach yn ôl fy reth yn crash y game. Oh, ie. Fel arfer, pwy dwi'n cwffio yn erbyn reth, dwi eisiau crash y game fi. Watson a y boi rhedag mae hwb yn dewis ar hyn o bryd. Dwi'n yn siŵr iawn pam. Oh, shit. Dwi'n yn siŵr iawn pam. Ia, bangol ar chwan. Cos fel arfer, dwi'n Bloodhound. Neu dwi'n Ash. Ash di'r version ddim o'r da reth, really, de. O, Loki'n... 2-man team. Okay, so 2-man team, de.
We're winning this.
Lifeline.
For the core.
Come on.
Let's get to work.
Bloodhound. Dwi'n joio Bloodhound, de. Os ti'n gallu iwsio fo, de. Loki a fi mynd i ennill hwn, dwi wedi diseidio. Dwi a Loki mynd i... Loki Jump Master. Mae'n mynd i reifio yn lle rili da. Goddess. O, fi di Jump Master.
Good, I'm the jump master.
C'est génial. We work well together.
Let's land here. Enough landing around. We're dropping.
Yes.
Really lifeline le. Mae lifeline yn good choice dwi'n wastad yn meddwl, da. Oh my god, beth eisiau rong o fyna? A ti fe? Pobol o'n fyna. O, nes i effio hwnna fyny. Oh my god. Dwi eisiau fod yn dda efo Watson, ond dwi byth yn... Dwi'n mynd i bad.
Attention. First blood. Beginning ring countdown.
Got some extra supplies. Say one. We're all inside this ring.
Dwi'n lwcio me. Oce, dechrau fi. Clear fan, mae'n siŵr da. Hwna, ynddo? Hwna. Hwna.
Extra supplies over here.
Ww, son y... Shit. Dyd dod hwnna wan.
Down an adversary.
Count. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Shield now.
I took out an enemy. A necessary evil to win.
Shit, shit, shit. Oh my god, there's supposed to loot there, man.
Look out, grenade.
Oh shit, 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 shit.
Shot at.
Having trouble. That enemy shield is broken. Reloading. I'm bleeding out.
Health drawn.
Ah, be fucked, be fucked. Under a burst. Fuck it, I'm running away. Yeah, pet, yeah. Tybed, dwi'n methu neud crypto de. Bad situation yma. Dwi'n gwffio gormod yma do. Ie, dwi'n massive Watson player, ond maen nhw'n gallu ffocin hamro fi, de. Dwi'n just...
Good thing I'm inside the ring. Could use some extra supplies. Recharging my shields.
I fi, mae lifeline just yn safe bets. Ddim really mynd yn wrong efo lifeline.
Half the squad's left. I'm not even tired.
Dwi just bach yn... Be...
Extra supplies. Good.
Ie, os di rhywun yn cael jump yn fi yma. Yn sy'n na? So mae hi fynd i fanna. O, iawn, oce, iawn. Field by Ash, fynd i fanna. Oh shit, fel si. Be?
Calling in a lifeline package. Gotta treat myself.
Os dwi'n cael beth da yn hwn, wan. Gorau cael. Good. Mae'n rili'n gwybod be'n ewg ydi sgwad yn dod ffordd ma. Mae'r un y gwylod yn gwybod amdano fi. Basically, fuck, ynddo. Basically.
Back me up.
O, na, burn isio. Dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n trio neud yma. Si bendant's got 2 yn fanna. So, I ain't gonna win a 2-on-1. But then bendant's there. There's Niet nep verwachten. Niet zo. Lle mae map yn dynnu hwn. Hollol dibynol lle mae map yn dynnu fi. Ffuck di ni fi. Dwi'n pam dwi'n siarad atho dwi'n gwybod beth dwi'n mynd i nesa. Boss.
Beginning ring countdown.
Looks like it's a firing.
Sbe?
Attention, delivering replicator.
Replicator on its way down.
Cysau y bit yma'r map. Mae bit yma'r map yn awful. Os dwi'n marw yn eitha 10 eiliad, dwi'n marw eitha 5 eiliad yn ymwneud to. Bad homebreds y fanna, da. Neu, holl. Tempted holl. Bucket. Oh my god, dwi'n ti'n exposed. Beth ti'n neud yma? Na, dwi ddim yn mynd i fewn i fanna, cos dwi'n gwybod gael lladd. Dwi'n chwilio amdan y ffordd cachor yn y hyn o'n. Dwi'n chwilio amdan... Hey, diolch Silver in Disguise am y follow.
Rings close. Only 1 minute to go.
Ti di jumpio fewn i high class quality Apex play o fi'n rhedeg o ffwr. So doing kills. Ooh, fucking hell. Yn holl ffordd rownd ydw? Ach, mae gen i lot o fanna, dwi.
Calling in a lifeline package. Gotta treat yourself.
Bydd gen i ddim amser i iwsio hinia. Come on, dwi'n rhywbeth da i fi. Waw. O, ie, handi. Pan dwi'n trio.
Care package being delivered.
Dwi'n ffynnu am hyn o'n de. Dwi, yn pen fi, dwi'n meddwl dwi'n flancio fan. Dwi'n sy'n... sy'n wedi bod yn fama chwaith.
Could use some extra supply.
Ooh. No.
2 enemy squads left.
What? Does? Ydy fi yn literally rhedeg I ffwrdd wedi gweithio in my favour? Ydy fod yn wimp? Ie, dwi'n trio ranked, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n just fi sy'n bach yn...
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Looks like I'm inside the ring.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Eisiau gael hyd I gang, ydw I?
Got a replicator coming down.
Rhai fi bwysio fan. Lle cael nhw I gwffi gilydd? Wpa, sy'n neb ffordd yma. Dwi'n rhaid siwr sy'n neb tu ôl fi. Guarantee we're gonna know legendary stuff. Dwi fama fo'n fucking... Dwi'n mynd amdani.
One more squad. Easy.
Warning. Ring closing.
Good thing I'm inside the ring.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Oh my god. No! No!
Shield now.
Allen nhw just rasio fi.
Patch me up, though.
No! O'n i'n gwmpa na ni'n digwydd. O'n i'n gwmpa. O'n 3 on 1, o'n gynnu ddim chance o gwbl.
We have our Apex champions.
Kills gysio ddo. O'n i'n gwmpa. Second. Efo 1 kill. Yes! Ti dweud sy'n i'n licio e? Yeah. Did you enjoy the match just played? Nes I literally just rhedeg I ffwrdd. Yes. Yes! Dwi dal yn dall be di thing chabs. Nuts. So ydych chi'n deitha fi bod y rank yn well. Ie, ond o'n i wedi clywed fod ranked yn effed up oherwydd mae gallu just pobl wneud accounts I fyny So gwennych chi bobl efo atho level 4 efo 140 kills a felly. Gaiod. Bronze, let's go. Going for bronze. Rhywbeth, mae'r lefel sa'ch chi chwarae yn ranks gyntaf fwy hawdd. O, oce. Dwi'n sylwi efo sut dwi'n chwarae Apex ydy. Dwi'n full ham am y boi gynta na. Mae boi dynas gynta na de yn cael ei gyda fi. Dwi'n dweud, a wedyn dwi'n dweud, oh my god, na. Ah, shit, eisiau gweld na. Dwi'n fewn gem, do.
The gust of wind calls our victory.
I'm ready. Let's get the job done.
I use heavy artillery.
Revenant, dwi'n methu chwarae. Dwi'n dall pan mae Revenant. Loba hefyd, dwi'n massive fan o Loba. Sut o'n i'n gwahanol ranks? O'n i'n holl point o'n i'n joinio. Mae hwn yn dwi'n cynesiad y map yma de.
I'm speeding.
I say we land here.
Oes ta?
Heard that.
Get the jets, we're dropping hot.
This ain't good.
I'm talking about the
Oh my god, I was... Oh my god! Nah, they fucked. Wow!
Beat yourself up. Leave that to me.
Oh my god, in the handen. Squad eliminated. Ideal.
So right here.
Yes. Let's go. Back in the hopper. Let's go. Invite to party. No, thank you. Oh, yes, let's go.
Single stack.
Fate will be on our side, Fly Fighter.
Guaranteeing my Watson and Japanese streamer. I mean, it's just been.
Welcome to the School of Hard Knocks.
Fuse. In there, that's going to 271 the level hwnna.
Just want to give a shout out to all my fans.
143. Oh my god. Be dwi'n chwarae?
Guide us to victory below.
You're the jump master. Dwi'n di fe yma.
This might be a good place to land. Prepare for battle. Might be something good this way. Let's explore this way.
No. Die moet ik er komen maar. Een Wayne af voor sniper weet kostuum die kan vast. Hier wordt een sniper daar.
Attention. First blood.
That's a first
Round
extended
one.
heavy mag here.
Beginning.
Level 2.
Enemy here. They're shooting at me. Cracked an enemy shield.
Ah, come on.
Just topping off my shields.
Reloading.
Laying fence. I'm helping. Cover me. That's what you're supposed to say, right? Walk the enemy.
Enemy here.
I took an enemy. Recharging my shield.
Bless me with sight.
Reloading. I'm fencing. The circuit is complete. I'm in trouble. Just topping off my shield.
Took out a hostile.
Walking enemy. I'm down.
Our enemies have met their fate. That
Daar.
squad is out.
Doe zitten maar.
Lay low. I will assist you. Lay low. I will assist you.
Recharging my shield.
Die moet ik er
Backpack extended energy mag here.
oh
Level
wee.
3. Healing my
I
wound.
could use that.
Nou, verder. Net.
Evo shield
Ja,
here.
tussen.
Level 2.
Dus ik waar het snel met dat.
Might be something good this way.
Evo shield here. Level 2. One minute, and the ring's spinning distance, folks.
Daar was stabilize.
New kill leader. I'll make sure they don't sneak up on us.
Less than 1 minute. The ring is not far. All Father, give me sight.
Laying fences. The circuit is complete.
Hostile spotted.
A few more meters and we'll be inside the ring. 30 seconds to go.
Champion's gone. Guess they'll give the title to any old joker.
Oui.
Let's explore
Zit.
this way.
Zit rond.
Scanning the area. Enemy over there.
Fence placed. If the fence gets crossed, we'll know.
Use the map as your guide. The
I
ring is
spotted an
moving.
enemy. I'm watching this spot from
Stopping off my shield. A second squad is attacking us. Adversary over there. Healing my wound.
Oh no, they fucked them up. They fucked them up.
reloading. Recharging.
Why am I not fucked up?
Hold on.
No!
Broke that
Yeah, they fucked on it. Bam!
Looks like aiming is
Two kill there.
There was a recent battle here. Contact with targets.
Sy'n yna points yn gweithio? Be ti'n cael? Dwi'n siŵr ti'n ddeitha fi am yma neith. Be ti'n cael? Oh my god. Un gem arall a dwi'n mynd i chwarae gem arall dwi'n meddwl. Gobeithio da. Jyst per i fi'n sgwad y ddau. Per i fi'n sgwad y ddau.
Our path is made today.
Be? Licio blood. Bloodhound, am on.
time to cut.
Pobl! Pam mae pobl dewis... Pam mae pobl Watson? Be di...
With great power comes me.
Fucking hell! Fucking hell!
Introducing your champion.
Check yourself or wreck yourself.
Oh my god. Kills. Get him down here.
You know the difference between me and a shotgun? Not a damn thing.
Brush it off. Your last is.
Papa would be
You're about
proud
to
of
get
me.
a masterclass in
Papa would
kicking
be
ass.
proud of me. Papa would be proud of me. Papa
A
would be
day
proud
without a
of me.
fight? A day
Papa
without a
would be proud
fight?
of me.
Did you?
Papa
That's
would
what
be
this
proud of me.
suspense is.
Oh, na, dim fan ma.
Your Maya! Your but now what doing?
Be fuck? No way, we're not intentional. No way.
Attention.
First blood. The battle begins.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
God.
Drilling through.
I'm looking at him.
I bloody want it.
Museum, look at him, pissed.
Fence in position. Anyone passes through here? We'll
Oh, stop at that fucking fence. Don't give a
Cheers,
shit.
million.
rien.
I'm not gonna let that.
Get up.
Adding up. Happy to help.
Marking our surroundings.
Oh shit.
Just be thankful I didn't leave a giant bleeding effigy this time.
New kill leader appointed.
I'm taking fire.
That's it.
Attention. The champion has been eliminated.
I'm a fan shot at. Ready. Down.
Yes, Vera.
I have fallen.
Alternator here.
Is that an awful? I think an awful. scammers, e-blats. Okay, mae o'n swnio boi onest. Fucking boi onest. Let's go. So bywyd gallu bod yn waith. So ni'n gallu bod yn chwarae Fortnite lle.
What are you waiting for? Let's do this.
Revenge is merely an opportunity for improvement.
Dwi'n cyfadda, yr unig reswm dwi'n dewis Ash ydi cos mae'n edrych yn cool. Oh, lifeline, let's go.
This is gonna be a good fight.
Os mae'n lifeline da yn squad rwy'n. Oh my god, let's win.
Introducing your champion.
Come on. Let's see if we're a match.
I'm the jump master.
I'm the jump master.
Focus, fight, win. That is an ideal landing place. Follow me to victory. Moving here. Follow me.
Win. Oh shit! No!
Target landed near me.
This can be good.
Bold move. And fatal.
It's go time.
I need a weapon.
Ultimate. Shit. Machine up.
Firing. Taking fire. Woohoo, that's got a kick.
An enemy's shield.
Down that one.
Grenade. First blood.
Oh my god, them guys.
Reloading. Grenade.
Champion out. Enemy down.
They're not getting back up from that.
Grenade incoming. I'm under fire.
Using meds.
These ties bind.
Oh my god!
Throwing arc star.
Very good. We finish off the
Is she,
Drone if you need it.
effio bob dim fyny fyna.
Charging shield. Come on.
Recharging shields.
Be? Dwi'n gwybod na y wingback na di'r y meta, ond
Come on up here. This is the last quiz.
Thinking this place has already been sacked. Faster, faster, faster.
Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Getting health back.
Fine. Let's see how well you maneuver.
oh shit.
Enemy far. Don't let them slip away.
1 minute. Ring me.
Finding them.
Getting some damage over here.
Oh, I'm hit.
Taking hits.
So unfair here.
I'm leaving.
That's as fast as you can go?
Fast without sugar. Just giving my system a shot.
A second squad. Adjust your strategy.
Charging on my feet.
Phase tear ready.
Look out, grenade. Just giving my system a shot. Heavy ammo.
my god.
Crack the bad dude's shield.
We have 10 seconds.
No!
We'll be These ties bind. A new kill leader. We have our target.
The kill leader has been eliminated.
Focus. Do not let
Come
them best
on.
you again. We ended the kill leader's reign.
Deploying Hellstrom. Recharging my shields.
That's it.
This fight isn't over. Get
Oh
out.
my god.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Standing by for care package.
Healing. Ah, this is taking too long.
I'm out of heavy ammo.
Shields are depleted. Recharging.
Wingman here.
Oh, okay, we're not there.
Evo shield here. Level 3.
I need it.
Hey, Shona.
My ultimate's ready to go, brethren. Come and get your birthday present.
Attention. There is a new
New kill leader. Not for long, pal.
Ja. Jo, det är den i vind.
Thinking this place has already been sacked.
Good eye, Silva.
Forget I said anything.
Det var den just det.
Deploying Hellstrom. R99 here.
بدي مش خطيرة. دي هنا لا.
Marked my next location. Helmet here. Don't lose your head. Level 2.
Level 3.
I can make use of that.
Oh, that's love.
My attention is needed elsewhere.
Jag har inte någon. Let's go. Just your gang, Emma.
Marked my next location. Yes.
Loud and clear, hermana. It's go time.
Wel. Extended mag i honden. Ja. Snap hem dan. Kom maar even toe.
These bonds aren't easily broken.
Reloading.
Reloading. Releasing an arc star.
Throw an arc star. Get it out.
Go on, bit.
Replicators coming in for a landing. They're shooting at me. Yo, cracked an enemy shield. Yo,
I'm spotted. Taking fire.
reloading.
Kit
Heavy.
use.
Enemy down. Help John if you need it. Shot last.
Charging up my shields.
Reload. Just kidding.
Let's put you in a bind.
Yes!
Shot at. Up and down.
I'm under fire. This fight isn't over.
Oh, go on, go on. Get up, get up, get up, get up.
Pitiful squad. Even killing them was dull.
Ah!
An enemy left.
Ddwy waith o'n. Da'n
Let's go this way.
cwffeu yn sgwad mae llall yn tsiampier. Too bad. Mae rank yn well le. Dwi'n... Yn well games de. Ooh, come on, pack. Give me a pack. This... I'm gonna read this as Mirage, efo. Un arall. A dwi'n mynd i chwarae rhywbeth arall. Dwi'n meddwl. Cor drapiau. Fatha maen nhw'n dweud. Na, chi dim hwn eisiau. Na. Mae gennym fi MIDI drum machine yma. Sef dwi wedi neud sain efo. Dwi'n mwyn cofio lle mae'r sain.
Pay attention. You might learn a thing or two.
Come on, do us with cat. Yes! Good feeling mae hwn.
Join me, fellow.
Good feeling.
Fight strong.
Oh my god, so kills are winning. 3-2-2.
This is your champion.
Good. I'm the jump master.
Ah, pam sti...
This might be a good place to land. Enough lambing around. We dropping.
Oh my god, no. Awful drop, Imris. Let's wait and shut him down, everyone. What did you do? Why did you bring us here? Awful, man.
Enemy here. First blood. Let us begin. Time to bind you.
Say one. We're all inside this ring. Reloading.
Reloading. I'm out of light ammo.
Our enemies have met their fate. That squad is out.
Nee, man, ik kan hem hebben. Not gonna lie.
Rampage here. Looking for sniper optics.
Sen var mı da?
Might be something good this way.
Looking for sniper optics.
Yes. Enemy here.
Sure.
Sentinel over here. Interesting. Enemy spotted.
Enemy far off.
Marking our surroundings.
Opening fire. Reloading.
What's wrong? Oh fuck.
I'm under fire. Reloading. A tear. Unacceptable.
Enemy shields broke.
Moving this way.
Saya gun ma.
Eliminate the enemy.
Symmetric och pojma.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Jag har ingen bag of shit så. Yes man. Ja, en game är rätt. Du går bara vet du den har väl nöjt. Du har varit discolight Sven. Vad? Syns ni gallu bod mor dop i anghofio hynny? Winman, tvärtom mot Karina. Pathfinder. No. Don't give me Pathfinder. Oh, good feeling on one.
That's my secret. I'm always ready.
Lily with the Pathfinder.
Anything that gets in my way.
Ooh, ow.
Introducing your champion.
Hope you're not afraid to get your hands dirty.
I'm the jump master.
I'm the jump master.
I say we land here.
All right.
Mae'n dda iawn yn jumpio, rhai fi gyfela.
Get ready, moving on.
Dwi wastad yn Oh my god, no! This ain't good.
Got some extra supplies.
Oh shit.
The enemy is here. Attention. First blood.
Sending an extra pair of eyes.
The battle happens quick. Be ready.
Signaling my drone back.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Pay attention to your map. The next ring is not close.
Oh my god! No!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Change of game. Angen change of scenery. Dwi yn mynd I chwarae lec. Lada. Yes. Oh my god, dwi'n ôl.
Surely you can take the title from them.
Taking fire. Putting an eye in the sky. Hold on.
I'm under fire.
Oh my god. Dwi'n episode sydd yn byd. Oh my god, dwi'n mor useful. Dwi'n mor useful.
Relocating here.
Dwi literally ddim gone.
You know it just us. We got to watch each other's back.
Someone destroyed my drone. Enemy shield is cracked. Reloading. Grenade out. Getting shot at.
Reloaded. Listen up, the ring.
I broke an enemy shield. Reloading. Taking fire.
Listen up, can't use my abilities.
I downed one.
I'm out of energy ammo.
Fighting.
35. Reloaded.
Getting my eyes in the sky.
Reloaded. Deploying head drone.
My drone has been destroyed. Be aware. My ultimate is ready.
Can we kill man?
Enemy shield is cracked. I'm down. I'm not done yet.
Quick line. I gotcha.
Ie. Yn cyrraedd sy'n ni'n fawr o fanna, she's o pen miracle arall. Iawn, dwi'n di chwarae gêm lot mwy hamddenol na hyn wan. Dwi'n di chwarae gêm yn lec. Yes, 5 points. Good 5 points. So, dwi'n mynd fel o de, dwi'n gan cau. Na. Yes, da. Dwi'n angen mynd I agor hwn. Angen mynd I hwn. Angen mynd I hwnna. Mynd fel la. O, na. Lec. Bam, bam. Villa de. Hon... Villa de. A dwi am mynd... Wel. Dwi wedi gweld dipyn o bobl chwarae hwn, a mae'n edrych yn really cool. Ti wedi cael gor... Ti wedi cael gor bypass newydd. So fe? Fyswn ni de. Ond de. Mae'n dan beth yma dwi'n. Ti'n mynd dangos. Bits. Let's see. You what? Oh. Pam di Kom met Engels weer. We wonen een grap. Oké, kom op. Speak up. Just speak up, sorry. Bang. Okay. Oh my god, dan moet je het zat ja. Spray one. Okay, hwnna fel yna. Hwnna. So, na fo day one. O y bypass. Nath y bypass agor tua fatha ben bora. A o hwn just cyn cinio. Yeah, so... Yna'r BBC News. O, dyn nhw'n embarrassing o gwbl. Ond, yeah, oedd o bach yn, yn beta, mae lon yn beta. Ac eith, Iawn, dwi yn mynd i cael PP a neu panad a dwi'n mynd i ddechrau chwarae hwn. Dwi'n highly strung ar hyn o bryd, dwi wedi chwarae gormod o... Dwi'n symud y webcam yna. No, ti wedi symud efo? No. So, yeah, PP... Lle mae... O, dwi wedi hitio dros 50 o followers hyd o fyd. So, ond pwy dwi'n update achievements fi'n Twitch, dy ddim yn deud. Ond, be ar y bac, dwi'n mynd i cael PP a toilets, a fydda nhw. She's successful P, diolch yn fawr. Soft. Successful P, gyda fi panad. Let's go. Weithiau ti wedi cael diwrnod neis de, yn dod ma dant yma tywydd yn o'ch chdi fanna, cos da ni'n cael llawer o F-all o fama de. Iawn. O, diolch yn fawr. Ia. So be, mae'n rhywbeth i ddweud am PP David de. Di hwnna ddim, Ond, gen i chdi'n dwi'n gwybod am y gem a di, ti'n 40-year-old woman software developer o'r 80s sy'n eisiau cael gwerad, eisiau gadael o ddinas a dod nôl adra. So, loading. Dwi'n rhaid highly strung rôl Apex. Ie, dim o fflachio yn real life, y capture speed y camera, di o. Sa'n fi cael look hwnna. Dwi wedi colli charger o gyda fi LED lights, a dwi'n gwybod lle mae'r plug di mynd i hwnna. Dwi'n gwybod. Alla i jyst gadael o fel o. Dwi'n gwybod pam dwi'n mynd i reid goliadau'n cefn na. Ond, let's go. It is funny how a program designed to help organize your life is the reason why I can't be at the Labor Day party. But I'm glad we made the deadline. And I'm glad I can now spend 2 stress-free weeks in good old Providence Orcs. Wel, hynny di llais in the monologue here.
Hello?
Meredith, Steve, hope I didn't wake you up. I just came home and was wondering if everything worked out all right.
Hi, Steve. Yes, we made the deadline.
Oh, that's awesome. I feel so bad you couldn't make it.
Hope you guys had a nice Labor Day party.
Oh, yes. I mean, the band was great, and Mike fell in the pool. Oh, and then Roy got really sick. No, wait, Brian. And then he fell in the pool, too. No, Roy. Wait. Well, I'll tell you all about it at work tomorrow afternoon.
I won't be there for 2 weeks, remember?
Oh, wait, yeah, but do you really have to? 2 weeks is a lifetime.
Fuck Steve, man.
Yeah, Steve, I really have to. But I will continue testing for Addit.
Oh, okay, right, awesome.
You know, I better get some sleep now. My plane leaves early in the morning.
Okay, Meredith, have a wonderful flight. I'll talk to you soon.
Moet rusten, Steve, man.
Thanks so much for picking me up, Mr. Coleman.
Mr. Coleman? Please, just call me Frank. We're colleagues now, after all.
Well, okay, Frank. Thanks so much for making time for me on Labor Day.
No problem, Meredith. Postal workers always have each other's back. Your dad helped me dozens of times whenever I was in a bit of a pickle.
Well, I hope I can fill his shoes. He hardly ever missed a day.
I'm sure you'll do great. You know what? While we're en route, why don't we deliver some mail in our beautiful little lake town?
And show me the ropes? Sure.
All right then, get ready to roll.
Woo! Yes!
This lake, it's always more beautiful than I remember it.
I don't think I'll ever get tired of driving around it. And there's our first stop.
Okay, sir, what's the plan?
Delivering mail is like a walk in the park, with mailboxes. Take this bag, walk to the mailbox, and insert the mail.
Huh? Een software programmer in it. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's a bit lots. Well, lots too fast. Walk to the mailbox. It's a sprint button. What's weer? Cerdded. Is dat wel Cerdded. Gooi je best, cerdded. Cerdded. Gooi je best, cerdded.
Just take your time, Miss Weiss. They never start a game until Frank Coleman has turned on his TV.
Yeah. So that win, Postman?
Nothing too difficult, right?
I think I should be able to face the challenge.
Ha, I bet. Didn't you go to MIT?
Yeah. I left here from Massachusetts 22 years ago.
Shouldn't you get a job in computers then?
Job in computers!
Right now.
Well, actually,
Hold that thought. We just arrived at our next address. It's a package this time, so you'll have to get it out of the back.
Oh, rood. I'm going question. Did you need a rood? Een karmedel. Oeh. Okay. Dwi'n joio, mae'r shift key yn edrych chi'n cael y bar cynt. So, go, 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 go. So. Go, 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 go.
Nope. No answer.
Ooh, so it's just doing a minute there.
You're getting the hang of it. So, where were we? Computers. Should I buy one?
Well, it depends on what you want to use it for.
Bookkeeping. I always make a mess of my tax returns. Can't a computer do that for me?
Sure, there are programs for that, but you'll still have to put in some work yourself.
Amateur
I was afraid
speed
you were
walker.
gonna say that. I'll bug you about it another time. Our next address is right around the corner.
There's no place like home.
Sure isn't. Can't wait to get home either. The Mets are playing the Giants.
Before I get out, what time do I start tomorrow?
7 a.m. sharp. Just check in at the post office.
What?
Okay, Frank. See you tomorrow.
Adios.
Should this between? Ah! I'm a computer programmer. Did you miss a bit of that?
Hi, Meredith. I just wanted to let you know that Dad and I landed safely. The Florida weather is all they said it would be. I'll call again soon. Oh, one more thing. The freezer's stuffed with food, and there's blueberry pie in the fridge. Bye.
You did just sound it.
Meredith,
Oh.
it's Steve.
Steve?
I didn't get the chance to say it earlier, but thanks so much for being a trooper. I know you had other plans for Labor Day weekend, but nailing the deadline for Added 87 could very well be the most important milestone in our company's history. Enjoy your well-deserved time off. Don't get too used to it. Just kidding. Or am I? I'll talk to you later.
Do you enjoy your post office gymaint?
Good morning, Meredith. Ready for your first day?
What?
Good morning, Frank. Ready to rock.
It's a great day to be on the road. I already filled up the mailbag in the truck, so you're good to go. Oh, I forgot to tell you. There's a map in the cabin, in case you get lost.
Thanks, I'll probably need that.
Heavy stuff though.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage. Walk to the mail truck cabin door. Huh? Dwi'n meddwl. Ydy...
Getting the hang of it yet? Check your map, get packages from the back hatch, and be sure to park your van right back here at the office when you're done. Easy as pie.
Na, dwi wedi skipio'n byd de. Rhaid fi nôl controller, dwi'n meddwl, cos mae'n bach too much. MLG gaming skills fi'n well yn esbonio pam dwi'n post office person rwan a dim reit yn diwedd y bunking game, ia. Ella mae'n just yn really joio fod yn Post office person? Bah. O'n i eisiau bod yn boi post pan i'n fach. Okay. Lot gwell. Hefo am un thing. Dwi'n inverted. Postman Pat. Ta be? Ydw i eisiau mynd? Oce. Oh my god, beth eisiau?
Doing this.
Yeah, that's it. Conspiracy dwi'n di post. Llythyr mae hi'n cael. Live mail.
I remember this as the old Sugarman place, but the envelope says McGill. Must have moved away.
Must have moved away. Spend me in the fucking post or shit. Oh, okay. Main Street, dwi ar hwn de. I hwn. Mae'n pwynt yn Meredith. Main Street, okay. Edrych yn neis. Lucas, mae'r game yn edrych de, Main Street, okay.
That's lighter than I thought.
Sorry. Trying it. Hello, host.
Can I help you?
Hello, here's today's mail.
New in town. Your face looks familiar.
Well, I grew up here and then left for college 22 years ago.
I did it 22 years ago. Still lots.
Back when they called me Nancy Sinatra instead of Nancy Reagan. So now you're back, huh? I know what it's like.
Ooh. Actions only temporary. You
do?
It's best not to feel bad about it. Only a few people ever really make it.
Hey.
I wonder if it's gonna rain today. It's been raining a lot lately.
You got thinking of it. Thinking of it. Let's go. Okay, lle dwi'n mynd nesa? Tri o fanna. Ti'n bennau hwnna gynta. Get some in. Yes! I got a bad boy in my vinny. Let's go! Who's it? Lake Moore's Diner. Ersal, dwi'n e? 200.
Stan's Diner. Wait, it's called Moe's Diner now?
Yes. Okay. 500 Lake Road. Okay.
Meredith Wise? As I live and breathe. Come here, hon.
Sits in cover, eh?
Now, let me look at you. My, oh my. A few lines here and there, and the occasional gray hair. But by gosh, it's you, all right?
Over the niece.
Wow, Maureen! Long time no see.
Over the niece.
feel
Yeah,
so
Paul Road.
Oh, don't be like that now. It suits you. Age only makes a person more distinguished, is what I always say. To the mirror. Now come here. Tell me
Good one,
everything.
Maureen. I have work to do.
But, Maureen, I do have work to do.
I know you're busy, hon. Little Bird told me all about your temporary mail job already.
Temporary mail job.
News goes around pretty quickly around here. So, coffee? Something stronger? I warn you, I will not take no for an answer.
Ah, my God, pardon. Oh, nah. Give me job. Don't we need job?
Coffee sounds good. Thanks.
2 coffee, coming right up. And 1 piece of blueberry pie, if I
Blueberry
remember
pie.
correctly. You had one almost every afternoon after school at one point.
Know me too well.
You know me too well, Maureen.
I didn't pay.
Always have, always will. Ashley, 1 blueberry pie. And Ashley, could you keep an eye on the bar for me for a bit? I'm gonna take my break now. You're a real trooper.
Oh my God.
Ashley? Oh, sweet Mary, what are you doing? Is everything okay, hon? Oh, Lord have mercy.
Dwi'n beth dwi'n meddwl pan dwi'n neud llwyth o overtime o gwaith dwi eisiau breg. Ond hefyd fod yn temporary post. Ta be? Dwi'n gallu neud efo postman newydd yn twtil yma de.
That didn't sound good.
Honestly! First the roof and now this? Ugh, that poor kid is like a disaster magnet. I'm sorry, Meredith. Looks like I've got my hands full for a bit. Next time, I want to hear everything, you hear? Don't be a stranger now.
Dwi'n licio'r cots de. Dwi'n licio'r cots. Dwi'n meddwl swn i'n gallu bod yn good post person. Dwi'n rhy... Okay. Lle dwi offi? One or two Lake Road. Let's go. Swn i'n secondiad de. Swn i'n secondiad i'n job fel hyn. Swn i'n methu deffro'n bora ddo. Swn i'n stryglo fe hynna. Swn i'n dyn boss sy'n janglo gormod hefyd, dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n jangler, da.
Ah, the mighty Ambrose River.
Ambrose? Ydy Emrys yn Saesneg? O, shit. O, thought so, eich. Ambrose, the Emrys yn Saesneg.
These look like bills.
Ah, gytid. Swy'n parcio gwair hyn. £200 Teddy bear, i pwy mae'r teddy bear ma? Mae'n siŵr byd yna?
Well, hello there, big cuddly guy.
Dwi'n lyfio rhedeg fast ma, ta? Cyrraedd normal. Speed! Normal. Oh my god. Crazy cat lady. Spear. Meow. Meow.
Oh, look, Genevieve. A new mailman. Hello there.
Male
What's your
woman.
name, then?
Hi, Miss Jenkins, right? I'm Meredith. Meredith Weiss?
Weiss, of course. You're Emily's girl, aren't you? This is Meryl Weiss, Genevieve. She used to live in town years and years ago.
Pam dwi'n mynnu specify 22 years. Dwi'n angen specify yna.
"22 years to be exact, but who's counting?"
Di, ti'n
Has it
counting?
been that long? That's almost 2 Genevieves ago. Calm down, Genevieve. You're going to live forever. She is...
Mae'n specifically odd, yndi?
You do remember me, don't you?
How could I forget Miss Mildred Jenkins? And her cats, of course. Seems like they've multiplied.
Yes, I do like cats. Is that such a crime?
Whoa!
So what if I have slightly more of them than I used to? Like Genevieve here, and Thomas, and Oliver. Anyway, did you have a package for me then?
Yes. Here you go.
Never assume. Never
Ah,
assume.
thank you, dear. Looks like another gift from my son. Still doing everything to get into
Cats
my
ladies,
good
Maya.
places, except actually drop by.
I'm sure he means well. He's probably just busy.
That's what he says. That's probably what you said.
Whoa!
Emily, too. Anyway, I won't keep you any longer.
Bitch!
Here, give Emily my best.
Goodbye, Miss Jenkins. Genevieve.
Whoa! Good. Mae'n meddwl ydi? Siarad efo fi fel la. Ti'n drop dead yn y tŷ na, so cadw nhw'n bita eventually, anyway. Oh shit, traffic. Oh my god. Bitter old lady fan'na, ia.
In a few days, I won't even need that map.
Lake Road. Oedd hi yn bitter hwnna, ia. Dwi wastad yn meddwl dwi eisiau cath, de, ond dwi'n meddwl swn i'n just gallu cwpio a cael cath. Well, hello.
I've got some mail for this address.
You're not Frank.
O, dwi'n cael yn top na.
Luckily, I don't think a mustache would suit me.
Haha, real funny. But that doesn't explain why Frank gave you the keys for the goose.
The goose?
Yes, your white and wobbly van, duh. I'm Lori. I'm Providence Oaks' mechanic. And I'm the one who keeps the goose running.
Well, Thomas is my father. Does that count?
Thomas! Yes, that surely counts. My father has been teaching me since the day I was born. There is no one better in PO than me. And I have to get back to work now. But I suppose you may drive the goose. On one condition.
Attitude and
If
drama.
there's ever anything wrong with it, you bring it back to me, yes?
Well, I don't have much of a choice, do I?
Nope. Did Frank tell you about the radio?
Ooh.
No.
It currently only receives the local station. Plus, sometimes it cuts out altogether. If that happens, just give it a big old bang on the dashboard and that should fix it right up. I'm working on it, I promise.
Okay. Thanks, Lori.
Dwi'n dall, mae gen yr youths hierarchy. Mae'n gwneud actio certain ffordd. So, dwi'n bod yn neis efo hi. Dwi wedi bod yn youth fy hun. Dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n dall things. Mae'n just yn trio ffeindio ffordd yn y byd fan di. Look at car yn di. Tools. Walk faster. Toggle radio. Car horn. Yes! Agenda. Give me car horn. Ah, shit, dwi'n cyfro'r map. Dwi'n literally dreid gwynaf fi yn y lle rong. A fel o. Ie, os na i ddod o. Hynna'n well. O, be yn y radio? Na, dy radio yn gweithio.
Let me think. Where was Bear Creek again?
Ach, dim ond yn just yn really da yn neud post. Ys di, dwi wedi torri'r illusion. Oh, shit. O, fi fod yn postman da.
Oh, right. Bear Creek, near the old lumber yard.
So hwn o wan da, so hwn yn Airbnb wan. Beth am troi rownd y barra. Dwi'n gweithio sydd ddim byd yn sen digwydd y gem a dwi'n licio'r... Dwi'n licio'r... Ooh, hello! Dwi am bod yn bach yn cheeky o fo.
A rare sight for a secluded lumberjack?
Yeah. Last time I saw a human being was about 6 years ago.
I am here to deliver mail, and I come in peace. I'm Meredith.
Thank you. I'm Robert. I hope the peace will be everlasting.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside.
Dwi'n dal, dwi'n decidio sut i setio y webcam ar sgrin fyny. Dwi'n gwybod beth i gorau. Dwi'n gwybod os dwi'n well fel hyn. Ta dwi'n well efo fi'n gongol a nid y thing yn llai. Ww. Ydw i'n mynd i pysnesu? Ta dwi'n mynd i adael o? Ta fe dwi'n licio boi yma. Dwi'n meddwl bod fi efo yn bell. Loading. Iawn. Pam dwi yn... Ooh. Steak and Malbec sauce.
Hello?
Nice. No,
Hi, Meredith.
very posh.
Mom, how are you? How's the job?
She's got lentils of a beef. Diolch yn fawr am gael ei heibio, de. Ooh. I'm doing great.
Hi, Mom. I'm doing great. It's so relaxing to be outside and drive around.
That's great to hear. Dad says it's strange not having to drive the truck anymore.
Must be strange for you as well. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm reading lots of books in the sun. I also went on a beach walk, and I saw baby turtles hatch. Oh, I'm almost out of coins. I'm calling from a bar, and Dad's ordering a margarita again. Talk soon.
Read the book.
The Countess and the Carpenter? Really, Mom? Oh, well, let's give it a read.
The Countess and the Carpenter. Chapter 1. A more disastrous entry to her new home was scarcely imaginable for Cecilia Schultenbrow. The left wheel of her carriage collapsed, right as she entered through the gates of the magnificent Raubenstaben estate. She tumbled upside down, hurt her head, and worse, her hat was ruined.
No.
Suddenly, she heard the deep, strong voice of a young man. Are you all right, madam?
Oh, bear. Don't leave me hanging. Wow, så post. Okay.
Good morning, Providence Oaks.
Okay.
We're starting the day as we always do, with a PO positive or pet peeve, followed by the weather. PO positive or pet peeve? Dale, what's it gonna be?
It's a positive all the way, Jack. I went to Moe's Diner yesterday, and I don't think I've ever had blueberry pie that tasted so good.
Thank you much, Dale. That makes me want to get a piece right now.
Post the post. Weet je wel?
Same handwriting as the one I delivered next door. I'm guessing party invitations?
Oeh. Het buurman die gaat invite to your party, man. Sure them. Sure them. Latest movies. Ooh, but they're latest movies. Three, 5, 1. Yeah. Kung Fu Kid. Ghostbusters. Good films. Ooh, yeah. Back to the present. Ooh, hello.
Welcome to the Flick Shack. How can I help you?
Got a package for you, ma'am.
Hold on. You're our new postal worker? Talk about not looking the part.
Whoa. Is that a compliment? Yeah.
Is that a compliment?
Trust me, it definitely is.
Well, thank you then. Name's Meredith, by the way. Meredith Weiss.
22
Angie
years.
Eastman. So, what brings you to Providence Oaks?
I used to live here, then I didn't, and I'm back. Up here, and I'm back. Oh, the father.
I used to live here. Then I didn't, and now I'm back.
Ah, I myself have been here for 6 years. Must have been in your didn't period.
Yep, that would be smack dab in the middle of it. What brings you here?
I used to live someplace else, then I moved here.
Oh my god.
Touche, Mrs. Eastman.
Miss.
So,
Dim rhy flirty.
It's booming. People in Providence Oaks sure like their movies. I guess it's because there's not much else to do around here. Might as well watch a flick, right?
Yeah.
You certainly have a lot of them.
Choice is everything. Nothing quite tickles the imagination like the right movie at the right time.
Maybe I should watch more movies.
Oh, no, she's
it was nice meeting you, Miss Eastman.
Call me Angie. And here, someone just returned this, and it should be right up your alley.
Postman always rings twice? My kind of humor.
Well, I don't know anything else about you, Mrs. Temporary Postal Worker.
Miss. But touche, Angie. All right. I'll check it out if I have the time.
Take your time. This isn't exactly the most popular flick in the shack, and there's plenty of choice regardless.
Okay. Well, it was nice meeting you, Miss Angie.
Same here, Miss Meredith.
Oh. Just weer wijzigde. Space was. Friendly Tide. LGM. Rep Holland. Nice. Breakfast Club. The Brunch Bunch. Wat uit die Breakfast Club daar? Zo maar. Grimm's. Ja. Ja, heb ik gewoon weer watchen de video net. Hey, hello, Amy. Hey. Echt zo. Forward 2. Een kroon. Zij zijn nog handen.
Commander Grace, we have established communication with ground control. How do you wish to proceed?
Tell them we've landed the rocket.
Ground control, we have landed the rocket. We will now begin our experiments.
Package for the Evans family?
Just a minute. Commander Grace, permission to explore?
Whoa.
Permission granted.
Yep, we're the Evans family. Could I just take that real quick? I'm kind of in the middle of a lunar landing.
Sure. Here you go. Nice helmet, by the way.
Why, thank you. I actually modeled it on the Apollo 11 crew outfit. Wait, what? Meredith?
Buzz Aldrin? I'm sorry. Who are you?
What? For real? You don't recognize your old best friend when you see her?
Wait a minute. Kay?
Great. And now I busted my colander. I knew opening the door in this thing was a bad idea.
I'm sorry. I didn't recognize you with the colander thing. The helmet.
Yeah, clearly. but it seems I'm not the only one who came in disguise.
Got me there. You're Kay Evans now?
Don't sound so surprised. But yes, I married Barry Evans. I'm sure you remember our high school star quarterback.
Mom!
Be right there, Commander Grace! Scanning for alien life forms. That's my little scientist back there. She's crazy about space travel, as you may have guessed, even after the whole Challenger thing.
Ooh.
Sounds like you're doing great. I'm happy for you.
Well, obviously a lot can happen in 22 years. So...
I'm probably 22 years.
I guess so.
So, I heard you were back in town for a while. From Maureen.
That's right. I ran into her yesterday at the diner. Your Uncle Stan wasn't there, unfortunately. I must have just missed him.
Nope. It's Mo's diner now. Like I said, a lot of things happened while you were away. Also, I work there now. At the diner.
That's great. Maybe I'll drop by sometime.
Yeah, we'll see.
Ready for a liftoff!
Listen, I'm sorry, but I don't really have time for this right now. Can't get stuck on the moon on my own, and I have to get ready for work. See you around, Em.
Good to see you, Kay. Evans!
Commander Grace, hold up! You'll never guess what I just found.
You can say that again.
Beth digwydd efo hynna. Yna scandal efo hynna, does? No scandal. Oh my god, no!
Hey, Mom and Dad have new neighbors. Ziegler, huh? Don't think they ever mentioned them.
Traffic on it.
Ooh, interesting.
Sut ti'n tŵr gorfeddwl y holl thing ma? Constant 60, ideal. Dwi'n installio'r OBS newydd a neud stwff iddo fo. Quite yn disgusting. Ugh! Gotcha'n sych yma.
Meryl, dear! So glad you could come by. Oh, it's quite the emergency.
What's wrong, Miss Jenkins?
It's poor little Mortimer. He's fallen ill, I think. One minute he was full of life. The next he just wasn't.
Yes.
He's almost Sorry. Heard it when I said it.
Please, Meredith, be a dear and take poor Mortimer to Mr. Mackey. He runs the bait shop by the lake. He'll know what to do.
Sure.
Sure. I'll get right on it. Here, little kitty. Come on.
Wonderful. Be nice to Meredith, Mortimer. Don't shed too much hair in her van now.
Bye, Miss Jenkins.
Bye, Meredith. See you soon, Mortimer.
Felly fynd rownd, yndi. Dwi'n isio sick cat. Fan bydd e. Oh, come on. Overtake. Yes! No. Shit. Oh. Pick up. Come on.
Mr. Mackey, I know you're closed, but...
What?
I'm Meredith Weiss.
Yeah, Meredith Weiss. Thomas' kid. I remember you running around the lake when you were yay high, getting into all sorts of trouble. What can I do you for?
Mildred Jenkins tells me you know a lot about animals, and, well...
Oh, hi there, little fellow. What's your name?
Apparently it's Mortimer.
Well, pleased to meet you, Mort. He's a little sluggish. Has Millie been feeding him cupcakes again?
To be honest, I have no idea.
Leave him with me. I'll put him on a diet today. Maybe even catch him a fish if they're biting. With any luck, he should be up and running in the morning.
Thank you, sir. By the way, how are you?
I'm fine. You go back to running around that lake, Miss Weiss.
Okay. Bye, Mr. Mackey. Bye, Mortimer.
Done. Back to my van. Go like that. Like that. Ooh, Jack, need what else? Yeah, let's go. Wat ze understeer bad way me.
Used to think our Spanner Dam was just as big and famous as Hoover Dam. Then I visited Hoover Dam.
Whoa! Oh shit. Oh my god, de wind. Whoa! Nu kunnen nikkassen. Nou wel, hè? Nou wil dat, hè? Looking good. Looking good. Oeh, parcel.
Hello, sir. Parcel for you.
Good.
I hope I'm not disturbing, but here's a parcel for you.
1 minute, I'm busy.
If you could just accept the parcel and let me be on my way.
Gingers.
Is that a parcel for me?
No, it's for Bigfoot.
You can just put it on the counter.
All right. Have a nice day.
Gamers. Oh my god. Classic gamer. Oeh, fast travel. Okay, it's bijna fast travel. Oeh, ze doet helemaal fast travel. Ze moet er gewoon cheatsen. Oeh, chat. Ja, ducking. End workday. Ideal. Iawn, ga i watch y fideo na i impresio hi. Cool.
Meredith, hi.
Oh, hi, Steve. How are you?
Ooh, boss me.
Busy as 2 peas. Added 87 is really getting there. Hey, listen, you got plenty of time, right?
I guess, but that's nice for a change.
Awesome, I need a favor. I sent a bunch of files your way. It's the retail pitch for Added 87. It's good, but not great. It needs your magic. Do you think you can... add it? Huh?
I'm not sure. How many pages are we talking about here?
It's not much. It's just the pitch, and there's also an instruction booklet. Can't be more than 100 pages. I could just send it to your post office, right?
I guess.
Awesome. Mail it back to me as soon as possible. Priority mail. Thanks so much. Oh, I gotta run.
Okay, Steve.
Oh, one final thing. Now let this marinate. Add it, 87, add anything you like. It's fancy, right? Yeah, don't tell me now. I got a jet. Bye.
Oeh, doe moet ik wel. Doe die moet ik wel, Google. Nah. No. Yeah.
All right, well, let's watch this.
Doet ze een pressure ook aan in de videostore. Doe maar watchen daar. What the hell?
Oh, Steve's parcel. And a note from Tess. Hey, Em. Hope you're doing well. Steve told me you'd want to read through this monstrosity. Not sure if you really said that, but have a great time there anyways. Take care. Tess.
Wow. Ah, dus je nou alle pumpkin kaartjes. Oké, zo. Ham, dus je kan heel involved door effing kaart.
Good morning, P.O. It's time for a...
P.O. Positive or that P?
Okay, folks. Let's see what it is today. The floor is yours, Angie.
Good morning, Jack. I got up.
En ik heb flirty vibes allan yr hogan yma, so...
Not then rewind it. I mean, really? Be kind and rewind.
So... She watch a film here. So let's have a look. Kung Fu Kid.
Oh, hello again. More mail for me?
And the tape you gave me.
Oh, wow. You watched it already?
Yes.
A drifter in a sleepy town, an affair, and a plot to kill a husband? There's a lot more to this movie than I expected.
It's a classic, and probably my favorite noir. They did a remake a couple years back, but it's, well, it's not as good. You can't beat Lana Turner's smoldering intensity.
Yeah, she's great in it.
So flirts over here.
I'm so glad you liked it. Most of the people here don't really appreciate the art of classic cinema. They just
Ah,
want to
det hinner
see
jag
the
se.
Academy again.
I'm afraid you're right.
Pretty lonely being the only movie buff around.
Wow, men har sunget lite.
Well, keep feeding my VCR and I'll be up to speed in no time.
Will do. Let me think about it and I'll get back to you. You know, it's good to see you.
That's nice to hear.
Because I have a sneaky little plan.
Oh, we're whispering now?
I want you to meet me, say, at 5 today.
What? Like a date?
Well, more like a business proposal. You in?
Ah. Så inte stuffiga jobb vi.
Hurrah! I'll see you this afternoon.
Wait, where are we meeting up?
Your place? It's 102 New Street, right?
Yes. How did you find that out?
Looked up your last name in the Rolodex. Your parents are regular clients.
Okay.
Oh, well.
It's settled then. See you at 5, partner.
Like a weird vibes allan hwnna wan. Ond stwffio job fi fy Steve. Dwi ar 2 weeks off. Go on. Time to go. Yes! Oh, shit. Shit. Ooh, deep in the post. Ooh, den klättrar runt. Ja. Ta runt. Ja, man. Shit. Deliver mail.
Here's your mail. Everyone pass. Deliver mail. Ooh, interesting.
No! Dwi'n byw yn y wlad, mae'n wahanol vibe fyma. One or two. Door.
Nope, no answer. All right, on to the next one.
Ga je weer al een blinking kaart gaan dit. Good. Closed. What's in closed? Moet wel... look over the top. Oh.
Hi there, Mr. Mackey. How's Mortimer?
Oh, good day, Meredith. Mort's fine. As I expected, it was just a little indigestion. A good night's rest and a bit of lake trout in the morning has done the little critter a world of good.
Excellent. Miss Jenkins will be pleased. Let me take him off your hands.
All right. Bye, Mort. Anything else, Miss Weiss? Enjoying yourself so far?
I'm having fun, yes.
Well, that's good.
Nice.
I'm guessing I'll see you around a lot more, Miss Weiss.
For sure, Mr. Mackey. Have a nice day.
Ja, nou. Gobeithio. Gobeithio na ddim dyfaru beth ni'n ei ddweud rwan. Sorry, ychydig bach na. Okay, to the diner. Yes, hen lawr dream it one.
What on earth did these folks order?
Swe nhw'n bita, swe? Swe nhw'n ddim yn sbio ar ei gilydd. Ie, di ffrio.
Hi, Maureen. Hi, hon. How are you doing this fine day?
I'm fine, but how are you? You know, with the kitchen exploding?
Oh, that? Nothing a fresh lick of paint and a mop couldn't fix.
Ah, Maureen.
Let's pick up where we left off, shall we? And one piece of blueberry pie. Ashley, one blueberry pie. Meredith Weiss, back in Providence Oaks. How's life treating you, darling?
It's all right, actually. I delivered a package to Kay at her house earlier.
Yes, she told me. How did that go for you?
Oh, she didn't bid the wrong. She just thought. She just delivered a package. Yeah, she didn't bid the wrong.
It was a bit weird seeing her again.
I can imagine it can be a lot to take in for the both of you. Especially after being away for so long. Then again, there are some things that never change, right?
You being one of them.
I will take that as a compliment. But I bet the diner looks a bit strange to you, doesn't it?
I like what you did with the place.
Spud yn neis yma hyn. Hidi'r town gossip. So hey, we were the nice to me.
My stand died. World keeps turning. Gotta keep moving along with it, right?
Oh my gosh, Maureen. Stan died? I'm so sorry. I had no idea.
Thank you, darling. But it's really okay. It's been 10 years already. 10 and a half, almost. Oh, boy, did I love that man. We'd been married for so long.
Yeah, sut nes i ddim gwybod am hynna?
After a
A
while,
mam a dad fi'n byw
I
na.
decided that sadness wasn't the only emotion I was allowed to have. That's not what Stan would have wanted either.
That's really inspiring.
Thank you, hon. I do appreciate that. Anyway, you have to get back up. So I did. For me. but also for Kay. She took her uncle's death pretty hard.
I wish I'd known.
Sorry for dumping all that on you like that, darling. Gosh, look at your face. I'm a bit surprised you didn't know. Didn't your parents tell you about it? Or Kay?
I can't recall.
Oh, it's okay, hon. I honestly don't give a hoot about any blame game. We all have our lives to live, but Kay's been through a lot. Nursed her uncle through his illness, helping me out. I think seeing you again shook her up a little, is all. She must have missed you during those days.
I can imagine. It was good to see her again. I've missed her too.
Then, it sounds like you know what to do. Listen, Meredith. Time marches on. And eventually, you realize it's marching across your face. Life's too short. That's exactly why I decided this place could do with a repurpose after Stan passed. Fresh start. It's been Moe's Diner ever since. And believe it or not, business is better than ever.
That's great to hear, Maureen. Congratulations.
Why, thank you kindly. And listen, you check in with me and Kay again soon, you hear? Don't forget about what's important.
Be nes I, Kay? She got dumped ar gwyneb I dda cyn gadael 22 years yn ôl o beth. Mae'n swnio eitha dwi'n beth uffernol, di. Yeah.
Hand on my heart, I will return as soon as I have a delivery. Or sooner.
Huh? I'll hold you to that.
You bet. Bye, Maureen.
Pam dwi'n gorfod gesio stwff ma? Yeah. Watch it. It's a boy yma awful llythyr to dwytha. Gobeithio mae'n cael good news so yma. Oh, no. Lle dwi? Oh, shit. Wrong. Let's go. Trail. Let's go. What? Ah, nah. Shit. Whew. So hynny wedi gallu bod yn embarrassing. Barod. Bang.
There's a face I remember.
Good morning, Mr. Harris.
Good morning, Mr. Harris.
Hey there. More paperwork with my name on it?
Well, take a look for yourself.
Thanks. Oh, it gets worse every day.
More bull crap?
Can you believe it? I've been taking care of this lakeside for years. And now they're gonna bulldoze it and build apartments.
Oh no! Oh my god. Dus how zegt hij dat? Read the room. Read the blink.
Oh, that's a shame. I'd hate to see the place I grew up ruined by an apartment building.
What? You grew up here?
Yes.
Yes, my father was the mailman before me.
Mr. Weiss. Ah, so you're the prodigy he's always talking about.
Wouldn't surprise me. But tell me about that paperwork.
They say you can file an official objection, but I'm not a great match with bureaucracy. I'd rather get the chance.
Doe hem die helpen van door.
Nothing a chainsaw can't handle.
Just kidding. It's a nice thought, though.
Well...
Doe help hem door.
Maybe I can help out. I'm better with paper than chainsaws.
Would you? Awesome. I'll think about it. Have a great day.
How many is she now?
Bye, Robert.
Hey, wait up. I'm done thinking about it. Maybe you'd want to go through all the files together? Tomorrow afternoon? At Moe's? Food and drinks on me.
Okay.
Sure. Who can say no to food and drinks at Moe's?
Awesome. I'll see you there then. I'll bring all the paperwork.
Okay. Bye.
Vadå, så är det en key eller? Som en autopilot. Terwijl du sukker en band fel hyn. So cool. Mae chael efo band fel hyn.
Remember, if there's anything wrong with the goose, I can fix it.
Good talk, Laurie. Good talk. Ti bydd yn tatwysio carnes wsos. Crazy Cats lady.
Look who's back.
Mortimer! Oh, look at you. You're good as new.
Yeah, Mr. Mackey did say not to feed him cupcakes.
I suppose he's right. It's just that he likes them so much. Don't you, Mortimer? Anyway, thank you so much, Meredith.
My pleasure. See you, Miss Jenkins.
Call me Mildred, dear. Say goodbye to Meredith, Mortimer.
Look how bit. Seriously. Ah, maar kijk, mijn stapje weg, hè. That's it. That's it. End workday.
No, Angie Eastman, you can't really create a woman with a computer. What movie is that?
It's called Weird Science. You really haven't heard of it? It was a pretty big hit. I figured you, with your computer background.
All right, I'll add it to the huge mental list I've been compiling ever since we started talking. So that's Weird Science, Life of Python.
Brian, Monty Python's Life of Brian.
Right.
You know, you don't really look the part of a computer nerd either.
I contain multitudes. That's Walt Whitman, by the way. Not a movie, so I don't expect you to know.
Ooh, touche return.
Ooh, de flirten me.
So, any particular reason you're not at the Nerd Factory anymore?
That's fucking.
It's complicated. Multiple reasons, I guess. Push and pull.
Okay, well, I totally get wanting something different, anyway. I used to live in Los Angeles.
Oh my god.
Oh, really? Then, yeah. Providence Oaks is pretty different.
Sure is. It's quieter, for one thing. Slower, for another.
So tell me about this plan of yours. Is the suitcase part of it?
Oh, right. It's simple. I want you to distribute movies all over Providence Oaks.
What?
You mean for free?
Yeah. You know the town, you're starting to know the people. Not all of them have VCRs yet, but that's why God invented movie boxes. And by God, I mean electronics companies. Look, it's a VCR in a box, and it's portable too, so you can take it to anyone.
Wow. Never seen one of those before.
I've made a list of potential customers and the movies I think they'll like. All you have to do is just deliver the movie box with a movie of their choice. Then you go and pick it back up once they've watched it.
I don't know if I'm even allowed to do that. I mean, I'd be using the truck, which is Postal Service property.
You do know Frank is your boss, right? He's not exactly a stickler for the rules. Plus, it's only 2 to start. These are for Lori. You know her, right?
The mechanic girl at the gas station, right?
Yes, good. I have these 2 for her.
The Love Bug and A Nightmare on Elm Street. This one is about murders in a bathtub, right?
Well, not exactly. You'll just have to watch it. But not before Lori gets a chance. I think she'll love it. After Lori gives back the box, I have a couple movies planned.
Alleen wel Angie meant to be.
Jaws and The Dirty Dozen. And that's it for now. If you're in, that is. So, you in?
All right. These addresses seem to be on my route anyway. I'm in.
All right. Thanks a bunch, babe. Now, do you have any more of this great coffee?
Babe.
Actually, I really need to head back.
Oh, what's the rush?
I left the store unattended. better get back.
Go on.
Oh, just have another cup of coffee?
I'd love to, but I really can't. Thursday's usually one of the busiest days. Sorry, but I'll see you soon, okay? Bye, babe.
Finisce, beh. That's a bit.
Hello?
Hey, Meredith.
Hey, Dad! How's life? I heard something about poker, fishing, and margaritas.
Talk to Mom, huh? But yeah, can't complain. How about you? Do you like my job?
I'm starting to love it. Being on the road, the freedom, the people.
That's great to hear. Frank's quite the character, huh?
Frank's quite the character indeed.
Is he married?
He said you helped him out once.
More than once. Well, what can I say? He likes baseball a bit too much. He places a bet every now and then. Nothing too serious.
And what about Bert Mackey?
Bert. Bert doesn't like to talk much, but he's got a heart of gold. Stay on his good side. Speaking of staying on the good side, your mom's telling me to hurry up. We're going to a movie.
Okay, Dad, don't keep her waiting. What movie?
Stand By Me. About 4 Oregon boys in the 50s. Right up my alley.
Sounds good. Say hi to Mom for me.
Will do. Bye, Meredith.
Okay. Well fi bach o waith.
All right, here we go.
It's bad by hynna byd hynna. Compact. No! Bwrw. Ooh. Dwi wedi gorffan efo tro 'ma. Just delivery box. Fast travel. No, fast travel. No.
Come for a PO positive or that P. Today's contribution is from Mildred, the senior authority on pets and thieves.
It's a positive this time, Jack.
Cops.
My cat Mortimer was really ill, but thanks to Bert
Oh, Bert's Mac. Yeah, them.
mailman Merrill, he's in great condition again.
That's fantastic news, Mildred. Now let's see if it will keep raining cats and dogs. I'm happy to say it will be dry later on with a bit of sunshine.
Illegal job of it.
Hey, Miss W. You got some mail for me today?
No, but I have something else. Angie from the Flick Shack asked me to deliver some movie boxes. She also asked me to deliver some to you.
Oh, tight. What are the options?
Let me see. The Love Bug or A Nightmare on Elm Street. You'll probably love that bug.
I'm almost 16, Miss W. That's a kid's movie.
Oh my god.
Well, I watched it when I was in college.
So you're saying it's an ancient kid's movie?
Whoa. Don't judge. Don't judge.
Hey, I'm not that old. So you'll pick A Nightmare on Elm Street?
Give me the love bug.
Never.
I thought you didn't want that one.
Ugh, I don't. But if my parents catch me watching Elm Street, they'll ground me for a week. I wish they'd just take a chill pill and see that I'm basically an adult. I fix
Oh,
cars.
ti'n mor naive.
That's too bad, Lori. Maybe you can watch it at a friend's house instead.
No, I'm homeschooled. There aren't many teenagers here, as you may have noticed. So I don't really have any friends to watch it with.
Oh.
So it's a love bug for me.
Tell you what, take the love bug now and we'll watch the horror movie at my place.
What?
Sunday work for you?
What? Really? Yes, it would. That'd be wicked, Miss W.
Of course. I'm always in for a good fright. So, see you Sunday?
Totally.
Dwi'n casau horror films.
Deal. Have a nice day.
Mae yn un yng nghas bethau fi. Absolutely casau horror films. Dwi'n rhaid golon. Treat myself to some light so fi cael golada gwell ddo. O, lla I skipio. Right. Ah, mine detector. So cool. Woo! Okay.
Hey,
Hello, sir.
I reckon that's a parcel with my name on it.
I reckon your name is Jack Reynolds?
Indeed I am. And I reckon you're the new postal worker?
I reckon you could say that.
Well, thank you much. New around here, I reckon. People call me JR. I'm a farmer and DJ.
DJ?
Nice to meet you. I think I've heard you on the radio.
You did, eh? Well, it's what I like to do. I had some spare time and a room in the shed, so I figured, why not?
About your playlist. It's really nice.
That was nice.
Thanks, but I really need to add more songs. But I'm in the middle of a potato harvest. Don't have much time.
So what?
Hey, listen, postal worker Meredith, I need to get back to work. Can you do me a favor and give this envelope to Frank?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
500 Lake Road. Okay. Oh, it's gonna get spicy.
Hey, Meredith. Sure, just put it on the counter, would you?
Kay, about the other day.
What about it?
Ooh. Şimdi lite bit wrong. Pamela did so.
How did things end up with the moon landing?
Actually, I got stuck on the moon. But then I took a really big jump for the rocket and got back on board just in time. Grace voiced a few objections regarding the scientific accuracy of that move, but hey.
Grace sounds like a great kid.
Yep.
No.
So... I talked to Maureen.
Let me guess. You got a piece of Maureen's wisdom too, eh? Why doesn't that surprise me? That explains why she wanted me to take over today's shift, then.
She told me about Uncle Stan. I'm so sorry.
Thanks. It was a long time ago, but I appreciate it. It's not the same without him.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I wasn't
Yeah,
there.
just nice.
You and Maureen.
That's kind of you to say, Meredith. I mean, I didn't contact you about it at the time, but then again, I had kind of given up by then.
What?
Honestly, I was so overwhelmed back then. With university, then work, you know.
I get it. There's always a reason for things to go the way they do.
Even so, it never seems to be the right reason. Time marches on. What did Maureen always say about that again?
One day you realize
it's marching across your face.
Both laughing clumsy.
Oh, Mo. Some things never change.
The matron.
You say that like it's a good thing.
Yep. Yeah.
Ooh, tiny mess.
It was good to talk. I mean, you know.
Yeah, it was.
I have to get back to it, but see you around, maybe?
Yes, tiny mess.
Sure. See ya.
Thank you. Big deal. Main streets.
Oh, that's heavier than I thought.
Hon.
Here's the mail, ma'am.
Ugh, one of those yellow parcels.
Ooh.
Isn't yellow the color of fun and happiness?
It's for that thing behind the door, a photography mini lab. They installed it last week and they want me to operate it. As if I don't have enough on my plate already.
That's pretty nice, actually. I love photography.
Some people think they can become professional photographers overnight.
Well, photography can be just for fun, too, right?
Look, if you want to take photographs, knock yourself out. They want me to practice with the mini lab before the service is officially offered. They sent me a practice kit with the camera and film.
I walk to Milton cabin door na di glitcha. Wel. Dwi'n gadael ni ar ôl. Dwi yn weirdly enjoyo hwn. Oh my god, seriously, come on, yeah? Oh, it just disappeared here. Felly cymryd selfie? Na, do. O. Dwi'n gweithio ti'n gallu cymryd selfie. Twee rond. Oeh, ben ik bij me. Shit. Ah, doorsta. Ja. Come on. Leave a mail. One to go.
I'm calling it a day.
Turn to post office.
Every time you need me, I'm telling you I'm here to stay. Looking at your castle, I'm pretty sure you're safe, but still afraid.
Okay. Dwi'n gadael I fe yma ar ôl... Ooh. Oh, crap. Dwi'n gwneud gwaith I boi yma'n do.
Well now, Meredith and Robert. Welcome to Moe's. Table for two?
Hi, Maureen. Yes, please. A quiet one if possible. We've got work to do.
Is that what they're calling it now?
Maureen.
Speaking of work, Robert, someone reckoned they could fix the roof themselves and, made it worse somehow. I mean, foot just went right through. No physical harm, thankfully.
The roof. Yes, I promised to take a look at it. Let me check out the damage real quick. Be right back.
Thanks, darling. Sure is one of the good ones right there.
He seems very nice, but I haven't actually talked to him longer than 10 minutes.
What's time got to do with anything? You know what you want when you see it, hon.
Oh, Maureen, please. What do you take me for?
For a human being, of course. Don't go telling me city life turned you into a robot now. I don't buy it for a second. Anyway, let me show you to my nicest table. I hear the sun hits your face in all the right places here.
Gwaith papur dyn ni'n neud?
Okay, so what you're saying is there's a couple of things we can do, but no chainsaws.
Definitely no chainsaws, for the moment. It's just that the remaining options will take time, effort, and patience.
Well, that's 1 out of 3 for me.
Can I get you lovebirds? Anything else?
Maureen, really? I could always decide not to fix your roof today, you know?
Don't worry, Robert. I know Maureen. I'm sure she doesn't mean anything by it.
Red wine! Na, coffi.
A coffee refill
What's
would
yn
be
yfed
nice
gwyn
next
coch
time.
o'n diner?
Gotcha, hun. Robert?
The same for me, please.
Sure thing. Back in a jiff.
Ashley, is that coffee machine still running? They what?
Glad we're finally done for today. But there's more to come.
Do you think you'll manage?
What do you think?
Ooh.
To be honest, you probably need some extra help.
Is that an offer?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, you two hard-working individuals. Here you go.
Thanks, Maureen. More coffee. How could anyone survive without it? So, how's life in PO so far?
It's only been a week, but
So far,
so good.
Yeah, I've been here a bit longer. Time sure does fly.
When you're having fun?
Ooh.
Yeah, look, Meredith, I'm sorry. I really better get started on fixing that
Then we
roof.
got coffee.
It's just, that's quite a big job. While it's still light out and all. You know. So, thanks so much for your help. I mean, I really do appreciate it.
Literally, we got
Drive
coffee.
home safe. I'll see you around town. So, yeah, I'll see you.
What?
Everything okay over here?
Yeah, I guess. I'm not sure.
What the hell happened there?
Good day. My name is Walter Morgan. I'm from the Postal Service. I'm calling with regards to compliance to policies and guidelines,
Ooh.
such as the use of Postal Service property, code of conduct, and so on.
Oh no.
I will be in touch again soon.
Oh no.
Meredith, it's Steve.
What's up, Steve?
Thanks so much for improving the text and sending it back to me. I'm confident this will improve our chances of securing a monster deal.
It better help. It wasn't the most fun I've ever had.
You won't regret it. It's a monster deal. The big retailer, big money, big prizes.
Calm down, Steve. And what happens now?
Well, yes, calmness is needed. Eyes on the prize. The next steps are me going to meet up with them this week. Discuss terms.
Okay, Steve. Good luck.
Thanks, Meredith. Speak soon.
Watch TV.
Let's see what's on TV tonight.
Kai Kurtzhand chdi.
Previously on Bon Appetit.
I have good news. Jean-Paul has agreed to become the chef of the downtown restaurant.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Rock and roll! There is only one problem. Jean-Paul is not a cook, but a car technician.
Okay.
Good morning, Meredith. There's an envelope today with an incomplete address on it. It only says Mickey and June, Lake Campground, Providence Oaks. Do you think you can find that?
Yeah.
I think I know where that is.
All right. Have a great day.
Thanks. Oh, by the way, Frank, I wanted to ask you something.
I will not babysit Mildred's cats.
No, it's about something else. Is sports betting legal?
Sports betting? Are you looking for a bit of action?
Ooh.
Who knows? But is it?
It's a bit of a gray area. I'll explain it another time. I have to get back to work now.
Oh my god, mae'n gambler. Iawn. Ac ar bombshell yna. Dwi'n gadlu am hynna. Dwi'n meddwl. Ella dda iawn hwyrach ymlaen wedyn yn chwarae geogesser. Ond am wan... Gyfi lot i feddwl amdan. Oh my god, sbia. Sef. Dyn. A fo. So rwy'n dal yn gwachod, diolch yn fawr. Na i weld chi y tro nesaf. Goodbye.